Real Madrid squandered possession. The Blaugrana have made them pay. Fermin gave it to Rafinha, who did have Lewandowski and Lamine in support, but he had eyes only for goal. Tchouaméni couldn't get close enough. Courtois simply couldn't reach it. And with his 10th goal of the season, Rafinha makes it Barcelona 1, Real Madrid 0. Control, and then it was Lamine who unlocked the defence. Fermin had 3 inside, could have cut the ball back, but went with power. He has won this corner. To be taken by Barcelona's goal scorer, Rafinha, who floats it up to Pedri. Pedri gives it to Lamine. Lamine! Another save from Courtois, could spell this. Courtois, so often Real Madrid's the key passage in the game. Swung in by Rafinha, too high this time. Goes beyond Kubarsi. Younger stars who are with the squad but not among the substitutes tonight, watching on. Possession. They've worked it right to Rafinha. Pedri. Loose from Gonzalo. Eric with the anticipation. Ball forward. Slightly imprecise, and now there is a possible counter-attack as Vinicius takes over and takes on Koundé with 2 in the centre. Really good run! Vinicius! What a moment for the Brazilian! Without a goal since early October. So much criticism of his form, but here in the Super Cup final, Real Madrid with their backs to the wall, he has conjured something masterful. A goal against the run of play. Madrid have turned defence into attack so quickly here. And it is all about Vinicius. He had two to beat on them all. It's a sparkling goal. And on the cusp of half-time, Madrid are level. He is born for the big stage. It's Barcelona 1, Real Madrid 1. Seconds of the half. The half that Barcelona seemed to have under control. Can they re-establish their lead? Lewandowski's in! And Lewandowski has scored! Barcelona strike back! Extraordinary end to the first half. And Lewandowski has finished beautifully. Picked out by Pedri. Clearly onside. Found space between the centre-backs. And needed just two touches. The second of which was inch perfect. In off the post. Real Madrid weren't level for long. Barcelona back in front. They lead 2-1. And Robert Lewandowski has now scored in 4 consecutive Super Cup finals. Surely there isn't time for another goal. Kubarsi gave the ball away, and here goes Bellingham. Eric Garcia with the challenge. He went to ground. He thinks it was a foul on him, but it is a corner. So a chance for Real Madrid to try and find a second equaliser of the game. Rodrigo's outswinger is headed goalwards! And on the rebound, it is in! The most astonishing injury time at the end of the first half, in which we've seen 3 goals. Real Madrid level again. Gonzalo Garcia celebrates. On the biggest night of his life, he has found the back of the net. In off the crossbar. Howson's initial header miraculously saved by Rafinha. But despite losing his balance, Gonzalo kept his cool and has guided this in quite superbly. Joy for Xabi Alonso. Joy for Real Madrid. The goals keep, and there is the half-time whistle. A breathless climax.